Hello everyone. Today we are unlocking substitution in geometry. In sports, when a player gets tired, he is replaced by another player. Substitution in geometry works exactly the same way, replacing a variable for its known value. Imagine we are building a fence around a rectangular garden. To find how much fencing we need, we use perimeter formula. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times width. Right now, L and W are just placeholders. But what if we measure and find out the length is 10 meter and width is 4 meter? We substitute. That means we replace L with 10 and W with 4. So now 2 times 10 is 20 and 2 times 4 is 8. Add them together, we get 28 meter. What if we don't have a fixed value for the width? Only the length is known. L equals to 10 meter. But we are told that the width is always 3 meter less than the length. First, we will translate that relationship into algebra. That is W equals to L minus 3. Now we will perform linear substitution. In our perimeter formula, we replace W with the whole expression L minus 3. See how the variable W disappears. Expanding it with distributive property, 2 times L is 2L and 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Combining like terms, 2L plus 2L, and we get perimeter equals to 4L minus 6. Now we know the value of L equals to 10 meters. So now we will drop 10 in the place of L. Simplifying the expression, we got the value 34 meters. So perimeter is 34 meters. Remember the golden rule of substitution. Always use bracket whether you are replacing a single number or a whole expression. Final challenge for you. If length of a rectangle is 5 meter and width is always 2 meter less than the length, find the value of the perimeter.